Hi there folks, Colin here again from Robert Smail's printing works on the Scottish borders, cared for by the National Trust for Scotland. The 30th of November is St Andrew's Day in Scotland, a very special day which people around the world come together to celebrate the patron saint of Scotland, as well as Scottish culture and heritage with music, dancing, food and of course a wee dram of whisky. According to the Bible, he was a fisherman and one of the 12 apostles chosen by Jesus. Fast forward to 1320, when the Declaration of Arbroath was signed, which called for Scottish independence from the Pope and acknowledged Robert the Bruce as the country's lawful king. And to appeal to the Pope, the Scots affirmed St Andrew as their patron, who was the brother of St Peter, the founder of the Christian Church. So we'll give this a press, see what it ended up with. There we go, perfect print. So thanks for joining me folks, and we'll see you next time.